How to make money on YouTube without making videos. Gadget niche. Are you looking for online YouTube earning? Or do you want to earn money on YouTube without actually making videos? Wait. What? Is that even possible? If this is the very first question that clicked in your mind, then yes, it is possible and you're exactly at the right place. Because in this video, I'm going to share with you some key factors that will help you earn money on YouTube without even making videos. If you ask me, I'm taking $400 to $500 daily without even making videos. Surely share the sneak peek of our top strategies with you guys, and we'll share some top channels and reveal how they're working and how much they are earning on a monthly basis. For learning the exact tricks, do let us know whether you're going to set up a new channel or if it's something holding you back to take action. Let us know through your comments. Hopefully you'll be motivated from this video. All you need for this is just to get some knowledge about the working of YouTube, and then there you go. You will be earning about 100,000, 200,000 or even 1,000,000 per month. Whoa, isn't that surprising? Well, if you see, there already exist some YouTube channels that are following this formula for earning more and more without even making videos, by the technique which you are unaware of. It's still not late yet. I'm here to share some example channels and their strategies with you. But before moving towards the video, do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you later get updated to more of this kind of interesting videos. So, without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. How to make money online without making videos. Before you start making any content, there are a few things you need to keep in your mind. First thing about choosing this niche is that you should know that your niche should be like the most trending idea that the public wants to get engaged in. So when you create content that is more appealing to the public, then definitely your video will have plenty of views, as it would be the red hot trending topic and more people will be able to watch your videos because it would be on the top of their searches. So in this video, I'm going to make things super easy for you, just by sharing the most profitable and trending niche with you, and we'll show you how it is used by the most popular pre-existing YouTube channels which let them earn money without even making videos. This is the most popular niche that is the center of attention for many people around. That will bring millions of viewers to your channel. Well, those who get attracted by the latest and growing technology, here's a treat for you guys. Now, you can earn with the use of your technology. Yes, it is about the gadgets and the latest technology. You know what's the most interesting thing about a niche idea? Is that this is the perfect idea for the ones who feel uncomfortable in showing their faces on screen. Just perfect to earn without showing your face. As for making such videos, all you need is the gadgets, detailed information about these gadgets, the proper knowledge of their usage, and a camera device to record video or a microphone as well. If you are uncomfortable with using your own voice, then you can even go for the voiceovers and many other options. Let me share with you some of the techniques used by other famous YouTube channels that can help you in earning money, and by following them, you will not even have to waste your energy in creating your content as well. Furthermore, I will be sharing the analytics of those channels with you, so stay tuned. But basically what they do is, either they go for copy-paste and voiceover kind of content creation, but obviously in an original and legal manner. Or by increasing the CPM by creating top niche contents that will let them earn money from their previous videos even after months as well. Here, let me show you some examples of these top niche YouTube channels and get to know about their principle working. UFactTech. Here, you can have a look on the subscribers of this page. They have a total of 214,000 subscribers. The channel was created 7 months before and their monthly views are insane. That's crazy. And their estimated monthly earnings are up to $26,000. Incredible! Now this is what I'm talking about. You can go visit the Social Blade website and have a look at how the earnings are made by these channels. This is the most trending niche that everyday people are taking interest in these videos. Gadget Zone. Now another top niche YouTube channel is Gadget Zone. This channel has around 1.7 million subscribers, and on average they get 10,000 subscribers monthly and nearly 2.35 million video views monthly. That's incredible! All they do is just show in their videos the top 9 to 10 gadgets that will be changing people's lives in a meaningful manner. They just give 1-minute brief introduction of them and the basic information regarding their specifications, its purpose, usage, etc., and from where to purchase them with their prices. Now for this type of channel, you don't have to come in front of the camera for your videos. You can simply get some pre-uploaded videos or pictures from Google and join them and create a new video and upload it on your channel. Though it sounds a bit unethical to pick someone else's content and add it in your own content, but you can do this for review videos and get review for the products or gadgets. The Unique Gadgets. Similarly, another popular YouTube channel is The Unique Gadgets, which seems the top growing one as they have uploaded just 51 videos so far and they have got 498,000 subscribers in just 1.5 years. Their monthly earnings are around $3,100 to $196,000. This means that even if they stop making new videos, this hot topic will be the most intriguing one by the male population. So, in any phase of life, from anywhere, if they get to see these videos, they will be always watching them with great interest and fascination. So, this is what you need to understand about this type of earning, where you can earn tons of money without putting energy in making your own content. All you need to do is to pick a top niche idea and with that create a good CPM YouTube channel or videos, and then there you go. You can even take a gap of about 4 to 5 months by not creating or uploading any video, and your earlier uploaded videos will be watched daily and they will simply be going to increase your viewers. Tech Joint. Here is another example of the channel Tech Joint. If you take a look at their videos, you will notice that they're not even using their original content. In the sense that if you don't want to make your own video, you can simply download pre-existing videos from other channels and then just create a new one, add a voiceover, and that's it. You don't have to come in front of the video, neither any need to show your face, nor to utilize any kind of energy in thinking of any creative ideas. It's that simple. All that matters is initiating the work with the most profitable niche idea. That's all about today's video. Do subscribe to our channel if you haven't done yet, and do let us know if you have more concern about this gadget niche. We'll love to answer your queries. Stay connected as we'll break down more niches in the future, and also we'll let you know how you can outsource or do this all by yourself and much more. Also, find us on Instagram under the same username, and don't forget to follow us there if you want some basic and daily YouTube tips. We'll be back with more videos. See you then.